Hi friends! Today I and my sister Brenda will show you how to make some best out of waste. So we will be making some flower pots from these type of plastic bottles. So let's get So friends, the material we would use is some plastic bottles, glue gun, fabric paints and medium, scissors and a cutter, a thick paintbrush, sketch pens, Googly Eyes. I have given the link of these things in the description. You can go and buy them. First you have to take one bottle and draw like this. So friends, as you can see, we have to cut it like this from the marked area. Friends, you can take some white color in the bowl and mix few drops of red to make it pink. So friends, now we are coloring our bottle. As you can see, So friends, now we have to keep it for drying. So friends, now this pot has dried. So friends, now we have to fold its ears like this. So friends, now we have to paste the googly eyes like this. So friends, now we have to make a hole at its bottom. So friends, our pot is ready. I have made a nose, a mouth, and I have given details on its ears. So you can make any animal with your creativity. Friends, please like and share my video, and in the next video I will show you how to make another type of pot with another plastic bottle. For that you have to subscribe to my channel.